Japan is an island nation known for its beauty and culture, but it's also a land shaped by powerful forces of nature. Earthquakes and tsunamis are, unfortunately, a constant threat here. And that's because Japan sits on the infamous Ring of Fire. This zone circles the Pacific Ocean, and it's, well, a place where tectonic plates meet and grind against each other. The Ring of Fire is actually responsible for the majority of the world's earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. So, Japan's location within this zone really explains why it experiences so many seismic events. These events, though destructive, are a fundamental part of the Earth's geology. And, understanding them helps us appreciate the power of nature and the importance of preparedness. The Earth's surface is not, one solid piece. It's made up of these massive tectonic plates that fit together like a giant jigsaw puzzle. These plates are constantly moving, although very slowly. Now, Japan sits right at the intersection of 4 of these plates: the Pacific, the Philippine Sea, the Eurasian, and the North American plates. The Pacific plate, being denser, is actually forced under the other plates in a process called subduction. And this process isn't smooth or steady at all. It's more like a slow-motion collision that builds up immense pressure over time. When that pressure finally exceeds the strength of the rocks, it's released suddenly, resulting in earthquakes. Subduction zones are, without a doubt, the most seismically active areas on Earth. They're the primary source of the powerful earthquakes that Japan experiences. As the Pacific plate dives beneath the other plates, it creates a lot of friction and stress along those plate boundaries. This stress builds up over decades, or sometimes even centuries. Eventually, the rock gives way, releasing the stored energy in the form of seismic waves. These waves travel through the Earth, causing the ground to shake, often violently. And the deeper the earthquake's origin within the subduction zone, the more widely felt those tremors will be on the surface. While not all earthquakes cause tsunamis, those originating in subduction zones often do. When a powerful earthquake occurs beneath the ocean floor, it displaces a massive amount of water. This displacement creates a series of waves that travel outward in all directions. These waves, known as tsunamis, can travel across entire oceans at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour. As a tsunami approaches shallower coastal waters, the wave slows down and its energy compresses, causing it to grow in height. This surge of water can inundate coastlines, causing widespread destruction. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami tragically demonstrated the devastating power of these events. Japan has a long and tragic history of earthquakes and tsunamis. The 2011 Tohoku disaster, while particularly devastating, is just one chapter in this story. Over the centuries, Japan has learned to adapt and prepare for these natural hazards. Strict building codes are enforced to ensure structures can withstand seismic activity. Sophisticated early warning systems provide precious seconds for people to seek shelter. Regular community drills educate citizens on how to respond during an earthquake or tsunami. Japan's experience serves as a reminder that while we cannot control nature, we can strive to coexist with it by prioritizing preparedness and resilience.